guys, so I just want to share with you our spontaneous Bora trip. And right now, papunta na kami sa boarding gate. We had a Japanese lunch before boarding. And super smooth lang ng flight namin. Like, our flight is at 11 a.m. And we left our house at 8:30ish. And obviously, si Selena, nililibang siya ng kuya niya para hindi siya umiyak. And we got to our hotel at exactly 2:30 a.m. So this is Azalea. This is our first time staying here, and it's located in Station 2. And their kitchen is fully equipped. I didn't film the boat transfers because this is my 6th time here. So basically, we do DIY lang. So this time, nauna na si Kuya Seb at si Tatay sa beach because I had to wait for Selena to wake up. Beach update, nung pumunta pala kami, medyo may lumot siya, pero it's not lumot season pa. According sa mga locals, pag super init, nagkakalumot siya, and eventually, pag umulan, nawawash out din naman siya. Our stay here is 8 nights and 9 days. And super random na ng mga visuals because I really don't know what day it is. I just wanna film our moments together habang nag-enjoy yung mga kids. And we really don't plan to do some activities. And because we already experienced it in our past trip, what we really plan to do is experience the beach and swim all day. Because ito talaga yung minabalikan ng kids, yung beach ng Boracay because sobrang calm and clear ng water. And after ng beach, nagpunta lang sila here sa pool to have a quick dip. Super init this time, hindi lang halata sa video. So, it's really nice na medyo malamig yung water here sa pool. So, nakaka-relax siya. And fast forward, I don't know what day it is. So, piniprep lang si Selena ng sunblock. So, this is what we do before going to beach. We went here multiple times already since na-experience ng kids and ng husband ko yung beach here. Plus, it's really kid-friendly. And when we go beaches near in Metro, parang ganun din yung expenses. So, why not go here na lang in Bora? Before kasi, may mga experience kami sa ibang beach na hindi talaga kid-friendly, like super mabato, then sobrang alat ng seawater, and maraming box jellyfish. So, ayun din yung kino-consider namin because we have kids, so mahirap talaga i-risk. So, going back, ito yung pinagkakaabalahan ni Selena. The whole day, kumukuha lang siya ng mga bato. So, surprisingly, hindi siya takot sa water at mas takot pa ang tatay niya para sa kanya. Kasi, tignan nyo naman, siya lang mag-isa. So, kapag di mo siya pinigilan, naabot pa yan dun sa pinakadulo. And for almost a week namin dito, kahit gano'n kami katagal sa beach, never siyang nag-tantrums. And after dinner and before heading to our hotel, we decided to ride a Ferris wheel. So, it is located sa D-Mall and it only costs 30 to 50 pesos per person. Sorry, I can't remember. Yan, as you can see, enjoy na enjoy yung mga kids. And kapag bumababa yung Ferris wheel, they are looking for their tatay. And matagal din to, nasa 3 minutes. So, very sulit na din. And our hotel pala is may included na breakfast buffet for 9 days. So, hindi ko na na-film yung mga food because super hirap kapag may kids na pinapakain. And fast forward, nag-aya si Kuya Seb mag-Bulabog Beach. So, siya nagsusearch ng itinerary namin. Wala rin pala akong na-film sa Bulabog Beach because we're so busy taking some photos. Then, nag-aya yung mga kids mag-mango shake. So, everyday sila nagpa-mango shake. And this time, wala kaming plans. Gusto lang namin mag-chill by the beach and mag-wait ng sunset.
Uy, ano ba yan?
Mama!
No more!
No more! At ayun, nagulat kami, naubos yun na yan mag-isa. And after watching sunset, we decided na mag-pool kami. Ayan, si kuya lang pala. And as feeling locals, sinanap namin yung market nila dito. And today, we finally found it. Our accommodation has a kitchen and it's fully equipped. Our hotel room has a kitchen and it's fully equipped. So what we plan to cook for today is pork sinigang and chicken garlic with white sauce. And surprisingly, ang affordable lang din ang kanilang market. As much as I want to film our cooking area here in our hotel, hindi ko nagawa mga sis kasi ang hirap talaga na may mga kids. While si Patrick nagluluto, nag-aayos naman ako ng mga stuff namin here. And after nila mag-eat, naglalaro muna silang magkapatid. Yan. So ngayon si Kuya gusto naman ng Ghostbuster. So si Selena hype na hype din sa kanta. After nap time sa afternoon, we decided to walk going to Station 3. And maghahanap rin pala si Kuya ng pasalubong sa mga friends niya. Ayan, to be honest, sobrang gandang maglakad dito. Kahit ang layo ng pagitan ng Station 1, 2, and 3, hindi mo mararamdaman yung layo kasi masarap maglakad lalo na sa hapon. When we were there pala, this jeep is going to Station 3 and medyo malumot siya. By the way, we're staying at Station 2. And ayan si Selena, ang itim-itim na niya, pero gusto ko siyang ganyan. And this time, si Kuya nakabili na siya ng pasalubong sa mga friends niya. Kaya pala kami nandito sa Station 3 because we're going to U Hotel. Every time na we're here sa Boracay, hindi pwedeng hindi kami tatambay dito. This is one of our favorites tambayan. Yan, madami din pwedeng gawin dito. Pwedeng mag-chill, pwedeng maglaro, may soccer din, tapos may pool din. Enjoy talaga ang mga kids dito. Si Selena, yan, nakikisali na naman siya. Kailangan lagi siyang kasali sa lahat ng ginagawa ng kuya at tatay niya. And by the way, ito pala yung pool dito sa U Hotel. After playing and napagod na yung mga kids, we decided to go to D-Mall because we plan to eat dinner there. So after dinner, we decided to buy some crepes. And masarap naman yung crepe nila here. Also, ang sarap din ng nabili ko, yung falafel, kasi hindi ko na na-videohan. Of course, before ending our night, nagsiswim muna sila before going to bed. Para pagbalik namin sa room, pagod na yung mga kids and mahimbing na yung sleep nila. Para ready ulit sila for another long day tomorrow. And we woke up early for our breakfast buffet. And after breakfast, nag-change lang ng clothes. We went straight to the beach. Ayan, nag-play lang sila habang si Kuya enjoy na enjoy yung water. Ayan, nagaganda ng mga videos nila. Samantalang ako, wala ko masyadong clips because most of the time, ako lang talaga yung nag-video. Ako lang din mahilig mag-picture and video sa kanila. Sila, ini-enjoy lang talaga nila yung moment. And this day pala, napansin namin, ang ganda ng beach. Unlike on our previous day, medyo visible yung mga lumot niya. But for today's video, sobrang ganda ng water and ang ganda ng beach. Kaya enjoy na enjoy kami nung araw na to. I think pumunta kami ng beach ng 8:30 a.m. and umahon sila roughly 11:30 a.m. 3 hours lang naman kami nagsiswim and 3 hours lang naman kami nasa initan, diba? Fast forward again, nakabalik na kami ng hotel and nakanap na, so lalabas ulit kami. And here's my OOTD. For today's agenda, ang plan namin is magka-photoshoot because wala pa kaming decent photos. Pero yung mga nag-aalok-alok lang ng photo here and here's behind the scene and uploaded ko na din yung results niya. And si Selena at si Kuya nag-crave ng BFF fries. And thankfully, may McDo naman here. And after, nag-aya naman sila mag-watch ng sunset. POV, yung nag-aya sila mag-McDo pero hindi mo alam kung saan. I don't know ba't na-late yung clip, but here's Selena enjoying her ice cream. And here's the view and we're looking for a perfect spot na magandang mag-watch ng sunset. So, the best ng sunset sa Boracay. As far as I remember, tomorrow is our last day na. So, wala na akong na-take na any clips and busy na kami mag-pack. And maaga kami aalis because our flight is at 9 a.m. So, 6:30 aalis na kami sa hotel. And today pala is my birthday. So, they are singing happy birthday to me. And it's 4 a.m. here. Buti hindi rin sila mahirap gisingin. Ready na kami mag-check out. Check lang yung hotel room namin. And we have arrived here sa port and DIY lang din kami. Like nung papunta namin. And here na kami sa boat. So I think it's already 7 o'clock a.m. here. And ayan si Selena. Ayaw niya pang umuwi. So she keeps saying bye-bye sa beach. And this is her second time going here in Boracay. And pagbaba namin ng boat, mag-tricycle naman kami sa port going sa airport. And here's Kuya na hindi pa din ready umuwi because marami kaming ikakram because almost lagpas 1 week ata siyang absent. So, hindi pa din talaga siya ready. And we just landed here in Terminal 3. So, I don't plan to do a mini vlog but sayang din kasi for our memory. So, kasi i-store ko, why not upload it na lang para ma-rewatch ng kids. So, ayun lang. That's very quick for a trip. Happy birthday to me. Bye!